Dude, Colin, where are we? We need to anchor WTV, and we're stuck in some Mario game.
Dude, I don't know. This usually works.
Dude. Well, isn't that convenient?
I think I have something for this.
Dude, where do you even come up with this stuff?
Let's go!
Colin, that's the last straw. I'm never hopping in a portal with you again.
I'm sorry, bro. At least we made it back in time for the assembly. Hi, guys. I'm Colin Choquist, and with me is Deshaun Keel to rep the senior class.
We'll talk about the Pep Assembly more later. But Cullen, how about you kick us off with the general news?
Let's go! If you're no longer needing an elevator key, please turn one in to Miss Pence in the main ASB office.
Have you been showing your school spirit this week? If so, visit the yearbook table in the Commons during lunches to get your picture taken. If you filled out your Spirit Day punch card, please come in to the Sunday table at lunches today and claim your chocolate ice cream sundae. Also, any lost and found not collected from the security office by the end of today will be donated to charity.
Hey, Deshaun, what you doing tomorrow?
Well, Colin,
That's right. You're going to the Tribute for Troops game. I knew you were gonna say that.
Right.
Seems like a great way to spend this Saturday.
I agree. I'm AJ Schaefer.
And I'm Peyton Motter repping green as Luigi for the juniors. We got some tricks up our sleeves for this last assembly.
We're definitely going to reel in the last one of the school year. Peyton, I know we're juniors, but it'd be super if you could jump into senior news.
Applications for Superintendent Scholar Award is now available. To apply, students must have a 3.5 GPA, be academically curious, and be good citizens. You must write an essay and have a staff nomination form. The finalists and their parents will be invited to a presentation and dinner with superintendent, honored teachers, and other guests.
Interviews for the finalists will be May 14th. You must also be available for May 20th. Turn applications into Miss Fox or Miss Ladeau by April 25th. You don't want to miss out on this opportunity. Yesterday, you heard that some students will be continuing their athletic career in college. Let's see how the signing went.
Yesterday, 7 more students signed their national letters of intent. In the list, we have Christina Island going to Central Washington University for cross country and track. Natalie Miller going to OC for volleyball. Abigail Kay heading to Mount Mercy University for bowling. Kaylee Reyes, who will be continuing her basketball career at Walla Walla University. Ethan Fergoso, wrestling at Ferrum College, along with Allison Newhouse, who will be attending the University of Idaho for dance. And lastly but not least, Cassandra Ebert, who is running cross country at PLU. These Wolves signing their letters of intent officially brings a close to their recruitment process.
The senior panoramic photo will be next Wednesday at 1:30 in the football field. Wear your SK gear and don't be late. The South Kitsap High School PTSA scholarship is still available. There's one $500 and up to four $250 scholarships available. Applications are available in the Career Center.
The South Kitsap Rotary Club 2019 scholarship application is now available in the Career Center. This is for students who have shown a commitment to community service. You must have a 2.5 GPA or higher, but grades are not the deciding factor. There are 4 $1,000 scholarships available. Get on it as soon as possible, and applications are due to the Career Center by May 15th.
Since we've been talking so much about seniors, Lacrosse Senior Night is soon approaching.
Whoa, I know I'll for sure be going to that. What's up, South? I'm Derek Gunther.
And I'm Emma Krecker here for the sophomores. In sports news, over spring break, track went to compete in a prestigious meet in California. Let's see how it went.
It was definitely an exciting spring break for the track team this year. 12 members of the team flew down for 5 days to Los Angeles, California, and competed in the Arcadia track meet, one of the best high school meets in the country. We had some amazing performances. DeAndre Davis competed great in the 100-meter hurdles and the 300-meter hurdles, placing 3rd and 4th with times of 14:60 and 38:74.
I feel fantastic, man.
Our girls 4x-mile team made up of Evelyn Collins-Wynn, Eugenia Palco, Christina Island, and Paxton DePoe performed very well and even set a new school record at 21 minutes 48 seconds.
Track is different from other sports because it's an individual sport as well as a team sport, and so you still have to do well as yourself, but you also have to work with your teammates.
Also, our girls distance medley relay team set a new school record as well at 12 minutes and 52 seconds. Christina Island, Emily Reel, Eugenia Palco, and Paxton DePoe are now in the books.
A highlight of my experience of competing at Arcadia this weekend was having such good competition to race against.
Ryan Toma also had an incredible performance. Ryan competed in the decathlon and placed 5th out of 16 with a score of 6,320. He set 6 new personal bests out of the 10 events, along with breaking the pole vault record at 14 feet 5 1/4 inches. What's the secret to the team's success? It has to be their close friendships and drive to continually get better.
I think that we put in all the work in the weeks coming up to Arcadia, so that's why we were able to go down there and compete really well against some of the best competition in the country.
3 new records set, 2 days of tough competition, and 1 amazing trip to remember. The bond this group of athletes have is unbreakable, and Arcadia 2019 will never go unforgotten.
Great job, Wolves. The pickleball tournament has been postponed. It will not be today. A new date is yet to be determined. Girls water polo finally got back in the pool and had a big win last night, beating Foss 17-2. The Wolves dominated from start to finish in all parts of the game.
Leading scorer was Regina Albino with 6 goals, followed by Ali Bat with 4, Anya Fogel, Zoe Adkins, and Kaylee Martin with 2 each, and Mackenzie Bell with 1 score. If you missed watching those games, don't worry, there's plenty more coming up.
Roll the schedule of events.
What's up, y'all? I'm Peyton Bird, and with me, Jonavan Reyes.
We're here representing the freshman class.
Jonavan, I don't know about you, but I think we're going to secure the win at the assembly today.
Tomorrow, the sophomore class ASB will be selling Krispy Kreme donuts at show. They will also be holding their karaoke night tonight. If you are performing tonight, please be at stage 3 by 6:40 p.m.
In club news, clubs meeting today are Paranormal, Interact, Builders of Unity, and the clubs meeting Monday are CAD, Anime, K-pop, ASL, Model UN, STEM, Students of Color, and FCCLA.
Well, it looks like we reached the end of our show. Have
a great day, SK.
And we hope you bring your A game today at the assembly. Stick around to see the alternatives to the assembly.